Hi, this is Anne. Today I just want to, before I start with the video, I just want to give you feedback about these two. This one I did, I painted the background or the dome with this Petite Rouge, it's chalk paint, powdered wick, and then I put the decoupage, this little bird on top. But I didn't put a primer on the back of the this frame, and you can see it sticks fairly good. If I do it, I will rather try and put a primer on like this chalk paint or maybe a gesso. This one I showed you, I just also painted, this is a tin lid. I painted without primer onto this back because I didn't have gesso and I wanted to see what it's going to do, but I will not do that again. As you can see, if you take your nail, you can scrape it off. So I don't think it will do anything if you just maybe hang it up and it's like an ornamental something that is maybe against the wall or something, but I won't do it. I will rather put a gesso at the back or this chalk paint at the back and then paint on top. I also try to stick a little bit of the decoupage onto a raw piece of glue gun mold, and if you did peel on it, you could peel it off, so I will not do that. I will paint my whole thing with a primer. It's best to do that. I didn't have any, that's why I tried to put it on like that, but I hope you learned something here, and I will see you next time, and have a lovely day.